Hello friends, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're joining us today.
And I'm Adam. This is your cozy corner of the internet, where English becomes simple of fun and part of your everyday life.
Together we learn through little moments, ordering food, asking for help, chatting with people, or just telling your story.
We teach with clear examples and friendly conversations and short stories that help English stick in your mind.
So you can speak English naturally and confidently. Welcome to Amjee's English World. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today feels like winter magic.
And I'm Adam. We're so happy you're here with us. Today's episode is all about snow day fun.
Snow days are special. They're cold, yes, but also full of surprises.
And warm feelings, hot chocolate feelings.
Adam, do you remember that morning last year when we woke up and everything was covered in snow?
Oh yes, the whole city looked like a white blanket. So quiet, so peaceful.
I opened my window and said, "Wow, it looks like a dream."
And I called you and said, "Alice, get ready. We're going outside."
I was not ready. I wore 3 sweaters. 3.
But the best part was when we built a snowman, and it fell over after 2 minutes.
True, but we kept laughing, because sometimes the best memories happen when things go wrong. Okay, friends, let's learn some useful snow day vocabulary. 1. Snowflake. A tiny piece of frozen ice that falls from the sky. Example, a snowflake landed on my nose. 2. Frosty. Very cold, covered with ice. Example, the morning air was frosty. 3. Bundle up. To wear warm clothes. Example, don't forget to bundle up before you go outside. 4. Slippery. Easy to fall because it's smooth or icy. Example, be careful, the road is slippery.
Repeat after me. Snow days are fun.
I love watching snowflakes fall.
The weather is cold but beautiful.
I bundle up before going outside.
Great job.
Here are some winter expressions people really use. It's freezing, meaning it's very, very cold. I'm chilled to the bone, meaning I feel cold deep inside my body.
And my favorite, walking in a winter wonderland, meaning enjoying a beautiful snowy place.
So magical, right?
Alice, remember the family. We saw helping each other shovel snow.
Yes. One person started, then neighbors joined, then kids joined. It was beautiful.
Snow can make life difficult, but it can also bring people together.
And that's a great message for learning English too.
You don't have to do it alone. We learn together. Alice, be honest. How many times did you fall on the ice that day?
Only 5. Okay, maybe 7.
See? Snow day fun and snow day gymnastics.
Friends, thank you for spending time with us today. We hope this snowy story warmed your heart.
Keep practicing English a little every day. You're doing amazing.
Remember, learning is like snowflakes. Small pieces make something beautiful.
We'll see you in the next episode of Amjee's English World. Stay warm, stay happy, and keep learning.